How to travel with pets on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I would let you know how you can travel with pets in Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The major thing you must know first of all is that only dogs and cats are permitted for travel in the passenger's bin. So whichever pet you're carrying, note that they must either be dogs or cats. And then once you've done that, the next thing is that you can book your pet in the passenger's cabin at the same time by calling we're calling Hawaii Airlines customer support. Yes. So how do you do that? Once you're logging into your account, move to the lower right corner of the screen, click on the more option, and then on this page, the first tab which you can see there is um get in touch. Other get in touch, you can see options like message center, chat with us, contact us. So just go ahead and message the center, chat with them, state what you want, which is you would like to travel with your pets on Hawaii Airlines and you would like to book a reservation for them. So once the reservation has been booked, you can now go ahead and book your flight. All right. So under the passengers option, type in all of the details needed, and then you can now add your pets to the checked bags. Okay, you can allow them to travel as checked bag as checked baggage. You can add them as checked baggage while booking your flight. But first of all, ensure you have booked reservations to avoid being embarrassed at the airport. So this is how you have to go about it. This is how you can travel with pets on Hawaii Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.